In the previous chapter, we have discussed about the roots of the quadratic equation. In this chapter, exercise 4.3, we are going to discuss about the real root of the quadratic equation. The equation we know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This here it is written plus minus, means it will be in both form, plus form and minus form. Minus b plus b square minus 4ac and second b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here this is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Some conditions. What is the conditions? First, if this b square, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will have two equal real roots. Second, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will have two distinct real roots. Third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real root exists in the equation. Okay. Now we will go ahead. These are the introduction about the real roots and how we will establish the real roots, how we will find the real roots. Before finding real roots, we will have to discuss about those things which we have discussed. Now we are going to the question. Question number first. Find the nature of the following quadratic equation. Quadratic equations if the real root exists, find them. Two things we have to find out. First, in the equation, if the real root exists, if from the equation we will have to establish real root exists or not. If the real root exists, then we will have to find the real root. So first question is question number 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation, first we will have to establish that the real root is exist or not. For which, what we have to do? We have to do, first we write x, 2 is the coefficient of x square. 2 is written in place of ax square minus bx plus c. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c constant is equal to 5. We have read above that discriminant b square minus 4ac. Then d, which is denoted by d. Here we denote discriminant by d. So first we find the discriminant. How I will find discriminant? b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to minus 3 square, 4, a how much? 2, and c how much? 5. Nine minus 4 to the 8, 5 ja 40. Reality is minus 31, which is, it means, it proves that the equation, that the above equation have no real roots, means no root exists, because the result is minus 31, which is less than 0. In b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? 31, which is less than 0. So there will be no real root there. This will be the answer. Next question, the second question. The second question is Second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. In this equation, a is, when a coefficient of x square is 3, so a is equal to 3, ax square, a is the coefficient, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and c is equal to 4. From this, we will find the discriminant d by the formula b square minus 4ac. b square how much? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a how much? 3, and c how much? 4. In this equation, 16, this will be 3, this sign will be converted in plus, then 16 3 are 48. 4 root 3 whole square will be 48, and minus 4 3 are 12, 12 4 are 48. It means discriminant will be 0. If the discriminant will be 0, then there will be two distinct then there will be two equal root, then there will be two equal root, because b square minus discriminant is 0, because b square minus 4ac is 0. This is then we will find from the equation minus b plus minus root over 4 root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? 0. Minus b minus b is equal to how much? 4 root 3. This will be 0. 2 by 2a. 2a how much? 3. Then the result will be 4 root 3 by 2. This 3 will be converted into root 3 into root 3. Okay? 2 root 3 cancel. Result will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. This will be 2 by root 3. This will be the answer. Then there will be two equal roots. These are the two equal roots, 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Now we will go ahead in question number 3. Question number 3 is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Discriminants, how much will be the discriminant? Discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. b square means 6 minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a. How much? 2 into 3. 36 minus 8 3 are 24. Discriminant is 12. It means this condition, discriminant is greater than 0. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 12 means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will find two distinct real root. We will apply the formula b minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. First we will consider plus. Minus b how much? Minus b is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. First we consider plus. Then b square minus 4ac we have how much? 12. b square minus 4ac is equal to 12 root over 2a. Minus minus plus, this will be 6 plus root over, we can write 4 into 3. 2a. A how much? A is equal to 2. Here we will out this from the equation 6y4 plus 4. If we will back from the root of our, this will be 2. This will be written as 2 root 3 by 4. Okay. 6 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 2 to the root 3 by 2. 2, 3 plus root 3 by 2. This will be 6 minus 12 root over 12 minus 4. I will solve it in this side. Six by 4 6 by 4 minus root 4 into 3 by 4. This will be 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 3 by 2 minus 2 will be out from there, from the root, it will be 2 root 3 by 4. This will be 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. We will solve it. 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Here we have 3 plus root 3 by 2. Here it is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Then we will write. Right, plus minus root 3, plus minus 3 minus root 3 by 2. Here is also 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. This will be the answer finally. Plus minus 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2. This will be the answer. We will discuss question number 2 in the next video. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share this channel to your friends so that they may get advantage from this. If you will have any confusion, you may write to me. You will write in comment box, and I will remove your confusion as soon as possible. Thank you.